washer and dryer in one machine. That's a whole cabinet we got back for storage. For a regular load, I add the laundry and detergent just like I would with a standard washing machine. The detergent drawer has separate compartments for the wash detergent, fabric softener, and bleach. For the main wash compartment, powder or liquid detergent can be used. The controls have quite a few choices and are pretty straightforward to set. Select your wash cycle with a main dial. Separate buttons can set things like temperature and spin speed. Use the drying time button to add the amount of drying time if you want your machine to go right into drying mode when the wash cycle is done. When you have your wash and dry setting selected, you just push and hold the start button and it will count down from 3, then 2, then 1, and you release on the 1, and it will start. That's it. Drying time has been added to the wash time, and you will come back to a completed washed and dried load of laundry. There is also a delay start button, which can surprisingly go out several hours and is very handy if you want to program something to start much later in the day or even the next day. This particular model uses a vented dryer, so the warm, moist air from drying is exhausted outside the motorhome. And if you just want to wash a load and not dry it, you can do that. And if you want to just dry something and not have it washed, you can do that too.